Okay, we're still underneath here. We're looking for a drop. How far? We can measure it. We can see which leg it is. If you're interested to know how to measure, how to look which leg to compare, which wave it is, you're more than welcome to come and take the course. Okay, and any move above this area, we should be looking, that would be your missing leg, and we should be heading up. How far? We can measure it in our live sessions and give updates that we do every Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. JCAD, same thing like any other pound pair. Correction, continuation of the down move, breaking these lows. For ETH, the same concept. Any break and close underneath these areas is gonna take the price to the lows. Where we are, we might see a fake out and continuation of the up move. We're still in the buy area. BTC, we're looking for the upcoming week, but potentially a fake out and continuation of the up move. UK 100, I would love, keep on looking for your buys. I would love this to come down here, as I mentioned last week, okay, to enter more, but this is the direction we are looking for, up move. We said it last week, continue looking for your buys, and that was the top that was broken. So at any pullback, continue looking for your buy. There's no indication of it pulling back. Okay, we might have a pullback till here, but on any pullback, continue looking for your buys. If you like what you see in our before and after, you're more than welcome to check our website for the pricing. We have the live sessions, the Discord membership and the gold membership. The only difference between the gold membership and Discord is the access for the members area, where we have analysis for the daily, weekly and the 4-hour potential setups that we do, that we're looking for to trade on these specific pairs on the upcoming week. The 4-hour chart is updated once or twice every week. It depends on the structure if it's changed or not. So these are the pricing, check them out. I'm going fast because we already, I don't want to waste your time, because I've been talking for the past 15 minutes all by myself. And if you we still have in our academy, you go here, you press on the view, it will send you to our academy courses, the learn how to trade the language of the market. It's basically Elliott wave. It's not how we trade, it's basically Elliott wave. The way we look at the market through shapes, we try to identify it in a shape, make it more simpler, not enter into the black hole of labeling and numbering and all of this stuff. Okay, we'll make it more simpler for you to view and create your edge. Every trader has his own edge. and he should or he or she should understand how the market and the algos move. It's not written in stone, but there's a way to give you an edge for you to be consistent, right? So not one trader is similar like the other. Even if you have a very successful trading setup, it doesn't mean you're consistent or you're successful in trading. You have to create your edge with around that setup. Yeah, so hopefully we'll see you there. The Discord and the website are in the link before, are in the description below. So check it out. You're more than welcome. It's our pleasure to have you in. Now let's hit our weekly forecast for the upcoming week that we do every Sunday. We start basically with the crypto. We identified last week that this is not gonna break. We were hoping to see a fake out to the upside and reversal. Most of my guys, or most of the guys that are in the Discord, are looking to sell. They've been selling from here and here, most likely from around these areas. I did not check what's going on because I don't usually trade on the weekend. How far? BTC is going down. How far? We do not decide how far it will go, but if you want to trade and benefit from the shorts, you can look for sells performing a sell setup that you are familiar with. That's what you need to learn as a trader. So we're looking at least till 40, if not 32 areas. Okay, we're looking to break these lows and even lower from my own point of view. Maybe not, but I would, if I need to trade this, I would be looking for sells for the upcoming week or two, and maybe 3 weeks. So first stop is this, second stop is down here. If you've been following us for a while, I talk a lot about missing legs, and if the price, most likely this is our missing leg. So whoever been following us understand what's a missing leg. This is our missing leg, and the direction is this way. So we will be looking for sell setups on BTC. It doesn't mean all crypto will follow, but as Bitcoin, we will be looking for sell setups for the upcoming week. And we will identify setups as we move on during the week, especially in the midweek sessions. More direction, more setups, where to enter and when to take profit. As I always mention, no matter if you expect this much, you're trading, so don't forget to pay yourself as you go. So for ETH, I'm looking at least till 2600 or 2500. Most likely will break these lows, but let's not push it so far. But for the data that we have, that is our missing leg, and it will repeat in the future. How far? We do not decide where the market and how the market is gonna go. Our job is, as I said before, identify sell setups. You shouldn't be looking for buys or buy the dip. That's not the time. The time was all the way down here. Does it mean that we entered the bear market? The structure, it's still not broken. We're just in a correction for the time being for this trend. This might end up being way bigger, yes, who knows, but we trade as we go. XRP, same thing. We might not see that strong pullback like the rest of the majors, but I'm expecting a correction breaking these lows. After that, if the price is gonna stay below this, then we will update and we'll start looking for more sells. But for the time being, any sell setup we will take for XRP breaking these lows. If you would like me to check any chart concerning crypto or anything that I am not covering up on the weekly basis, please let me know in the chat or in our Discord if you are already there. So basically that's what we cover in our crypto. If you would like to cover more, let me know. We move on to the indices. That was a major pullback, a very strong pullback after a three-wave move correction, retesting a structure that we've been looking at. This might head up here. Am I interested to buy it? No, I'm not interested to buy it at the time being. Okay, for S&P 500, we're looking to break this. I'm interested for a sell. Okay, even if we break this, I'm interested for the sell. The same thing for the UK 100. This price can break the top, retest it and even break it. Am I interested? If it gives me a good pullback or a decent shape, I might take it, but potentially I'm looking for the following. That moves us to the DXY. DXY, as we mentioned last week, still looking to break these lows. Still looking for this. Nothing changed. That was a beautiful pullback, that similar to this one, and I'm looking for the follow-up. EURUSD, as we mentioned, looking for, I was expecting this pullback to happen around these areas, but it did not. But the intention and the direction, yes sir, exactly. Hit the likes if you like our community to grow. Thank you so much, Kimo. So if you would like the EURUSD, I was expecting the pullback till around these areas, then continuation of the up move. The pullback happened around here. So this doesn't mean that something changed or the market, that's not what we're expecting. You're supposed to dance with the market, right? So learn how to move with the market, not put the scenario and expect it to play out, and if it doesn't play out, you FOMO, you panic, or whatever it is. Just go with it. Direction is to the upside, same thing for the XY, direction is to the downside. GU, the same concept, continuation of the up move. UCAD, keep on selling. Some of my guys traded this. If you're not experienced enough, you shouldn't be trading this. You should be looking for the sell. Okay, I'm in this sell. Let's see how far it will go. I'm expecting it till down here. As I've been keep on mentioning that the CAD is where the money is going. So I wouldn't be surprised if we reach equilibrium with the dollar. So yeah, keep on selling. And you, most likely continuation of the up move. This is in a way confirmed, and continuation of the up move. AU, same concept like NU. This is over, this is over. That was the pullback. Was expecting liquidity grab at the bottom here. This because the liquidity grab was not grabbed, so this puts a question mark for my setup if I need to buy, or because this might do something like this. So there's a question mark here. I prefer not to trade it for the time being until I have more clarity or my criteria is met. Silver, most of my guys were buying from this most likely around these areas. I don't know what on Friday they did, but we identified on the midweek on Thursday nights Eastern time, we identify buy setups on silver and gold. Continuation of the up move, same thing for gold, continuation of the up move. Most likely breaking this and revisiting these highs and breaking them. Oil, we've been saying keep on looking for the buys. We did not sell this one. Most likely on any pullback I'll be looking for continuation of the up move and buy. We mentioned in the midweek that we are not interested in the price around these areas because the setup was not clear. Now if you bought after the liquidity grab around these areas, if you're not in on any pullback, minimum pullback even, you can continue looking for your buys. UJ, this was the end of this correction and the direction is that way. Look for your buy setups. That's what I would do if I need to trade these pairs that I'm covering. JJ, we're looking for buys. Doesn't mean that we are all-time high. There's no all-time high, there's no all-time low. So that's the direction. It's the setup. You trade the setup with proper risk management. Keep on looking for your buys. There's no indication of any kind of reversal. Euro yen, same concept like all the yen pairs. That's the way. Keep on looking. If you are already in the buy, good for you. If you're not, you are day trading, any buy setup, keep on looking for it. Any manipulation for the traders to sell, buy. JCAD, like any CAD pair, we're looking for the following. This is over. This looks more like a completed wave. This is part of a new wave. So most likely if it breaks, it will confirm this move to the downside. Okay, there's a potential sell around these areas, okay, with decent risk to reward as a swing trader till the downside. Basically these are the pairs that we cover. Thank you for joining, and if you would like me to go over some pairs that I missed or you are trading, you would like me to cover, it will be my pleasure to go over it. If not, don't forget to press the like and share. That's the only way that our community would grow. And thank you so much for attending. Same thing, I think you asked me about it in the midweek. Travis, you're more than welcome, sir. You asked me about it, and I said we are in the buy zone. There was a potential for it to hit one more and continuation of the up move. Nothing changed. We're still looking. You should be in the buy. No potential selling. Okay, continuation of the up move. It is updated on the website where we're expecting price to head. Same thing for all the indices. I personally, I'm not trading these for the upcoming week or in the month of May. But trade safe, guys. Keep in mind proper risk management. That's the key. And money management. That's your key for your consistency in this business. Thank you all for joining, and hopefully you will have a great week and trade safe.